Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Aminulchem Innovation. This is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. In this video, I would like to explain how to write a research proposal for MS, PhD, or postdoc scholarship. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, research proposal is one of the most important component for getting MS or PhD scholarship. So it should be very important. Now, there are two types of research proposal based on the mode of submission. Number one is formal research proposal. It is used during filling up of application form. Usually, it is very short and sometimes it is also in the form of question and answer, or sometimes certain hints are given and you need to fill up the hints based on your research proposal. The next one is informal research proposal. It has got no format and it is uh, attached in the email for admission application. So in this video, I would like to explain the first type and the second type will be discussed in another video. That means formal research proposal. Well, I will show two example. Example one, which was submitted for getting PhD scholarship in Australia, and the second one is research proposal two, which was submitted for mixed scholarship in Japan. Let us start with example one. So first you have to write the title of your research proposal. Studying antimicrobial peptides membrane disruption using biophysical technique. And then you need to provide the summary of your research proposal. For example, antimicrobial peptides are a unique and diverse group of molecules that are divided into subgroups based on their amino acid composition and structure. That means in the first paragraph, you need to provide sufficient literature background on the key component of your research proposal. Here, key component is antimicrobial peptides. So, in the first paragraph, key topics of antimicrobial peptides has been discussed. Then, the interaction of the antimicrobial peptides. The interaction with bacterial cell membrane is crucial. Why your study is important? From the practical point of view, you have to state like this. And then you also need to elaborate and precisely why your study is important. For example, here, human and bacterial cells can be used to study peptide membrane interaction and are important to validate the results obtained with simple model membranes. Nevertheless, the application of biophysical technique with cell is limited. So, why your study is important, you have to explain this here. Then, you also need to provide some background information and then how you can analyze this proposed interaction of antimicrobial peptides interaction. For example, here I have mentioned several biophysical techniques such as solid state NMR, fluorescence spectroscopy, circular dichroism, zeta potential, and AFM will be used to achieve this goal. characteristics of AMP membrane interaction and the use of this technique will be discussed. These are the valuable tools to study the mechanism of action of AMPs and other membrane active peptides, as insights on the peptide membrane interactions can be obtained. Then you can also briefly outline the results. For example, the results will significantly deepen our understanding and open up the potential of novel applications of AMPS. This research will push forward to improve their application and to reduce eventual toxicity. These studies truly bridge the gap between the protein realm and the membrane world and are destined to be a star in future biotechnology. So this is the last paragraph of this research proposal. Now, example 2, which was submitted for mixed scholarship in Japan. It is a little bit more, just I will show you the highlight. For example, title was Synthesis and Characterization of Functional Chiral Polymers and Investigation of their protophysical and protophotochemical properties. A field of study, you can, as previous, you can provide literature review, first and second paragraph. Then you can also mention the research gap in this field, and then you can also provide the key components of your research topic here, for example this one. And then you can also mention the advantage of your procedures, and then study program in Japan. You can also mention like this, and you can also mention like this, and finally you can mention like this. Now you can also mention like this what you will be doing. Now it is important to note that the main purpose of writing research proposal at this stage is to get the scholarship. So you should consult with your proposed supervisor, and you can show your proposal to your supervisor, and he will make comment or provide suggestions for improvement. Often supervisor himself provides a research proposal for application. So if you are lucky, then your supervisor can give you a research proposal for application. So you can ask for research proposal. That's for today. In my next video, I will explain on informal research proposal, which is common to many PhD, MS, and postdoc scholarship application. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation, like, comment, share for new videos. Thanks for watching.